So this is a new project of mine, which is a bit more musical with a guitar. I can't play the guitar at all, I can't play any musical instrument at all. But I figured I'd give a shot at how to process musical signals with my electronic knowledge. And so, I found a guide on the internet to make a amplifier, which is this circuit you see here. That's an amplifier. Then that goes into this Arduino, which is a little microprocessor, sort of like a computer, and these LEDs light up to depending on what strings being played out of the audio jack. So the amplifier, don't worry about the wiring on that robot. Don't worry about that. I'm just using the battery. So that wiring goes to the audio jack. The audio jack goes under the guitar pile of thing into the guitar, and the guitar tells it what string it's playing. And then the frequency of the guitar is actually displayed on my computer, so you can see what's the frequency. So if I give you a demonstration of plucking one of the E strings, as you can see, one of the E string light has lit up. Well, I don't know what you musicians call it, but yeah. And now you can tell that the frequency of that string was 328.74. So if I do it with pluck the string, a different string with the LEDs and I can show you how quickly it does it. And now you see the next LED's lit up because I plucked the A string. And now let's pluck the D string. It's the D. The D. And here is the G string. Oh, I missed the camera there. Let's go back to the E string. I'll just cycle through all of them. As you can see, it's a bit temperamental and it sometimes gives off the wrong reading. So basically what's happening is that the signal from the guitar is being amplified through the circuit, being sent through that one black wire there to the microprocessor. The processor figures out what the frequency is and lights up the LED accordingly. And Joseph, thanks for the guitar, by the way. Yeah, it was kind of helpful that Joseph came down and dropped off his guitar so I could try it out. And yeah, so this is a project that me and Tyrone, if you don't know my friend Tyrone from Hack and Save, me and him are working on a project to make an auto-tuning guitar. So with this little microprocessor, it'll detect the frequency of the guitar, so all the circuitry will be inside the guitar. And then we have some small motors that'll be on the tuning pegs. Instead of tuning pegs, there'll be little motors that turn the strings. And depending on which string is lit up and what the frequency is on the string, it'll be telling this motor to turn, either make it tighter or looser, do certain things like that. And so we'll have like little LEDs behind the string to tell you which string it thinks it's plucked and if it's right or wrong, and all these other sort of things that we can add in. So that's a upcoming project of mine with Tyrone. Me and him just came up with it while we were sitting at McDonald's. And so yeah, this is what it is. Don't mind that robot, that'll be a later project because I kind of fried the chip for it. So I have to buy a new one, but they're pretty expensive, so it might take a while to buy another one. Anyway, thanks for watching.